Welcome to the rainy season in DALAT. It rains every day. Thank goodness it doesn't rain all day, but it will rain at some point. It is the wet season in DALAT. But in other parts of Vietnam, it's the dry season. So depending on where you are, some places are wet, some is dry. Looks like a new hotel's popping up. This is the fancy restaurant here. It's a popular place in DALAT. Very expensive there though. I haven't eaten there, but I've read the reviews. A lot of people talk about how expensive it is and how small the food portions are, but apparently the food quality is very good. See the lights? Not sure what's going on over there. Oh, some thunder and lightning. Yeah, I'm just in the balcony of my DALAT hotel. Very nice hotel, very nice. Yeah.
Romantic city.
Is it a romantic city? Why? Why is DALAT a romantic city?
Because I'm romantic good.
Oh, you look very nice in your white
Thank you.
white skirt. All white. And the room is white as well.
Because I'm the DALAT girl.
Look at the rain. Aren't we lucky that we missed the rain? Do you think the lights is the night market? What is the lights? The night market?
So, from the night market.
Yeah. We think it's the night market, but we were going to maybe check out the night market, but now that it started to rain, and it's going to rain for the next couple of hours, so no more night market. But this is a very nice, I think, nice place we're staying at. Very clean, nice television, nice bed. So this place here, for people who don't know, this guest house does not accept foreigners. They advertise as Vietnamese only, so do not stay there unless you're Vietnamese. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Why? I feel hot.
Oh, it's so different. You are not Vietnamese. You're not Vietnamese.
But if I'm not Vietnamese, why is everyone speaking to me in Vietnamese?
You look like Vietnamese, but you're not
There's a lot of lightning in the Hey, check this out, dude. You see the smoke in the lights? Hold on, let me zoom in. Can I ask you, why is there like smoke coming out of the lights? Look, see the lights? Is that like you see the smoke?
No?
Yeah, you see the smoke in the lights off the street lamp.
Oh, where? I couldn't see it.
Feels very romantic in the rain in DALAT.
Yes.
Good. Now record me. Yeah. Very romantic. Let me enjoy the romantic view. Actually, it's not so beautiful on that side. It's all the construction.
I know, it's like this side. Okay.
This side is more.
In this spot, like, but the light is not spot you in this side. You're not handsome in this side.
Huh?
This side is better.
Really?
Yeah, see. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Wow.
Why are you laughing? What happened?
You coughing?
Oh.
No, yes.
Oh, no. I'm just enjoying the rain.
Yes. See how he is handsome, right? Everyone like say he is handsome, younger than his age. Wow. Everyone say the same things. Oh, look cool. Ooh, wow.
Do you think I look good for 44 years old?
Yes. You see, I give you the answer.
I have no comment.
Super handsome. So satisfied her.
Not very nice. I'm happy we have a balcony at this place. Yesterday we were staying in the jail, in the basement. Yesterday we were at a guest house, hotel, and they put us in the basement room. Oh wow, it looks like the jail.
The big bus.
Yeah, the big bus.
Where you are going?
So why when I hold the camera, see how it's steady?
Yeah.
But when you're holding it, it's like, oh, the bus. Oh, the bus. You know, it's funny, the motorcycle driver, he's trapped behind the bus.
Because you know why, huh?
Right.
I hold the camera with my feeling, with the romantic feeling.
Ah, right.
Yes.
Wow.
Khổ quá.
They're stuck, look, they're stuck.
Yeah.
And it's raining and the guy on the bike is stuck. Oh, wow.
You see.
I feel sad for the people on the motorbike. Dude, they're all trapped. Yeah, see? And also because the car's parked at the restaurant as well.
Yeah. Everyone is so romantic here.
Yeah.
Because it's so cold here too.
Is it cold? Are you sure?
It's cold for me too.
Oh no, you're right, but it's at the moment it's about 18 degrees Celsius and it's raining, so it is cold.
You see, the people over there wear the hoodie too.
Yeah, it is cold.
The expensive car?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's an American car. I think it's a Chevy. Okay.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye bye. Leaving.
Very good, very good.